So AVT is a 25-year company, and about 5 years ago, we decided to open up a training center. And this training center was to invite our customers, our competitors in some cases, but also our teammates in other cases, as well as just the general public who wants to enter into the modeling and simulation field to learn about how to build simulators.
We have found time and time again, many people within this industry might be a software engineer, developer, database engineer, system engineer, hardware engineer, and they know their experience very well, but they've never seen how their experience applies to the actual simulator project or product.
The primary mission of the AVT Training Center really is to educate all of those folks that are in the modeling and simulation field, making sure that the things that we know after 25 years of service can be transmitted to others that take this course. A lot of the people here at AVT, including myself, are retired military and care deeply about the training that is provided to our warfighters.
So the instructors at the training center are everything from PhDs, system engineers, software developers, cybersecurity experts.
The people that can benefit from this training center is really anyone that wants to enter into the modeling and simulation field. So our instructors in our training center are actually very experienced engineers and developers of training and simulation systems. When they leave the classroom, they're actually going back to their job and building a simulator there in the back rooms. So you're getting a perspective from these instructors of somebody who left working on a simulator a few minutes ago, came to the class, provided you the training, and then went back to working on the simulator when they're done. Some of our courses, like our AVT 101 course, we will talk about a particular aspect of a simulator like the visual system, and then we'll go visit somebody who's building a simulator with visual systems that are unique or different here in the local area. So we take the students to other simulation manufacturers in the area so that they can learn even more about it than we can tell them just here.
You're going to see projector technologies, full display systems, image generators and databases.
These partner companies have volunteered their time to participate in this activity, and they've opened up their doors for us to take our students in, show them what they're building at the same time. So you get a good broad view of how simulators are built from not just AVT, but every company that's in this area.